The world of business runs on meetings. While planning for the trade show presence, a lot of emails, phone calls, and time are spent on scheduling and managing meetings. At times, it can be overwhelming and simply too much for event planners. With so many moving parts, mistakes can happen without the use of right tools. It was all manually organized in spreadsheets and was chaotic and extremely error-prone. We felt like there was a need for one central space to store everything: meeting requests, schedules, and client and location availability. We decided to build software to help event planners manage their changes in real time. So we introduced ePlannerPro, a meeting management software that helps businesses experience meetings at the trade shows the way it should be: impactful, focused, and automated.
ePlannerPro is designed to help meeting and event planners keep everything organized, centralized, and connected with everyone involved. It enables you to manage, coordinate, and execute all your meetings in one user-friendly web-based platform.
You can create custom meeting request forms, email templates, and calendar notices. If you need to update a scheduled meeting, the tool automatically sends updated calendar notices notifying the attendees. I can't tell you how much time and energy that saves our clients, who can focus on building strong relationships, having that successful meeting, and getting customer feedback.
Our clients can book meetings based on location and attendee availability in calendar view. The app also allows them to choose their booth tour guide or their demo location without the back and forth of different forms of communication. This reduces mistakes. Planners can track metrics and integrate the data with their CRM systems.
Our mission is to reinvent the art of trade show and conference meeting management with an innovative product that is delivered with a personal touch.
We know we are changing the way business meetings are done. So if you're looking for a way to manage your next event like a pro, reach out to ePlannerPro today.